This is a game that was disputed by, what was the name, Fusion Gaming, they were called. This is first map, which was best of one anyway, which was raid. It was 3-3, and basically my partner Dritwell got an amazing 2-piece to win the game, as you will see in a minute.
Hello, Sale. It's the one you've been waiting for. The MacArthur Glen Designer Outlet East Midlands Summer Sale is now on. With further savings on outlet prices across the stores, you'll find your favourite designer brands at even more irresistible prices, including Barber, Kurt Geiger, Calvin Klein, and many more. Find us just off junction 28 of the M1. Visit us online for our latest news and offers.
I get killed, and then he just gets a sick 1v2 and a defuse actually, which is beast. Absolutely beast, I'll tell you that now. Don't know why they disputed. They're 10-0, that's probably why they disputed us. But I think confident them with 3 wins, and yeah, because we played the same people a couple of times, twice. Just fucking sick. Hold on. He chokes here. Boom, 1, 2, and a defuse. This is first map, best of 1 against Quatchly, Yakzat, and Cod King. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Disconnected due to transmission error. Thanks.